back to another vlog! So it's super early in the morning and Mark and I are gonna go to the wet market to buy some fish. Super fresh fish. Wow, fish. Anyway, let's go get Joyce and Isa for breakfast. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Mechado, sentry ko na mechado.
Sige, sige. Wait lang ah. Hello! Thank you, Joyce. Labas na kayo, pwede na kayo kumain. We're making omelet. Tuna with egg. Namin. For breakfast, we're having cake. At pinagagawa namin ni Mark ang icing. Akin to ah. Oo, to akin to. So, yan. Joke lang. Yeah. And sila Isa mag-omelet. Yan. We're gonna go to the market in a bit. Dami naming dala. Look.
O, rice cooker. Ano yan? Mang yelo, tilapia. O, dito na lang, dito.
Paano ako
Makakakit
sasakay?
ba, sir?
Sige, di na lang sa loob siya sasakay. Hindi, kaya mo masama.
Yan. Okay na.
I love my Kirby. I love you. Yes, you're so sweet. Axel! Love you too. Bye-bye. Cutie. Kasya lahat ng dala namin. Kalurks.
Yeah.
Love it.
Kami naman, sir.
Sabihin niyo pag mainit ah. Mainit.
Mainit to. Dadaan kami sa Kaibiyang Tunnel. Bongga. We're gonna stop para mag-take ng... Sayang, no, hindi mo nakita ano yung mga
Oo nga eh.
Yung...
May mga...
marine ba yun?
Oo,
Hindi
mga
dapat
sundalo nagda-training. Nakakamuflage siya sa mga bush. Bongga.
Hindi na ako sa dalo dyan.
Yes.
Ito na yung tunnel.
The tunnel, the famous tunnel.
Haba po.
Ang dilim, no? Ang ganda oh, sa vlog.
Oo.
Yes.
Hindi ako may lalabas na tayo na sabi niya. Nakabagsak.
We stopped over again because we found a super beautiful view. Sobrang ganda. Look at that. Sobrang blue. Blue na blue. Oh my goodness.
Hey!
Love you. Ay, siya, sorry. Ayan. Ganda, girl! Tingnan mo! Ang ganda doon na parang may fog na ewan. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Blue na blue. Sugbo. Nasugbo. Miranda. Ito na yung ano. We're gonna proceed to the room kasi wala pa yung friend namin si Christine.
Okay.
Okay, parking. Doon sa hindi mainit, B, please. Ayun lang, gitna. O, meron doon sa loob.
Meron doon?
Pasok ka sa loob.
Exit pala yan eh. Exit
Bawal.
ba to?
Ayun nga, no. We're on our way to the room na. Pipicture muna namin kasi madami kaming dalang gamit. So, Joy, sorry. 404, no? 404. Okay. Ayan yung mga unit ko on itsura. Cute pala, no? Bongga. 405. Doon. Okay. Exciting. So we're already inside the room and let me give you guys a room tour, of course. So this is the entrance. Ayan. Hi, Joy! Hi! Ayan, pagpasok meron tayong parang kitchen area. May rice cooker pala. Nagdala pa ako. Anyway, okay lang yan. Tapos meron tayong microwave, refrigerator. Tapos yan, pagpasok, ito yung itsura. Hi, Joyce! Meron tayong parang seating area over here on this side. May mirror. Bongga. Hi! Tapos dito naman ay yung parang sofa. Living room area. Yan. Sitting area. We have the comfort room. We have closets. There. Yan. Mga gamit. Tapos, shower. We have a mirror, of course. No. And then, over on that side, we have the bed. Check natin yung bed. May TV. Of course. TV. Tapos may bed. And then, meron din tayong sa labas. Tingnan tayo sa labas. Oops, sorry. Locked it. And paglabas, we have a mountain view. Bongga. Look at that. Diba? Ganda. And tapos may seating area dito. Okay. Joyce and I actually went ahead to take photos and just some vlogging materials before everyone comes back here. I mean, goes up here. Kasi madami kaming gamit. Kasi sobrang daming gamit. So, yeah, we're gonna get them in a while. After ni Joyce matapos. Yan. Twinsies kami ni Joyce. Okay na? Nakama na lahat, ha? Yan, everyone settled in. Bongga. Hi, Joyce. So, nililinis ko lang. I mean, I'm just emptying our bags. Tapos, nilagay ko yung mga toiletries here in the comfort room or the restroom. And of course, being the Girl Scout that I am, lahat kompleto. Of course, we have Palmolive Naturals for the shampoo. Yan, mga soap. I'm using something new from Colgate. Ayan, Plush Shine Optic White. Bongga. Soap. Makeup remover. Meron tayong sunscreen from Nivea. Actually, meron kami mga iba pang sunscreen. Lalo yung bago from Nivea. So, we're gonna show that to you in a bit. We're just gonna freshen up. Sobrang napagod kami sa biyahe. But super fun. And we do, this one is the newest product from Nivea. Ayan, Protect and Light Feel. Yan. Bongga, di ba? Let's put it here. Okay. Tapos, so fun because lahat ng items here are available na. So we have the ref. Ito yung binili ni Joy sa SNR Tetrick. Super yummy. My sister got this from, my sister bought the same stuff from Malaysia. Super sarap siya. Parang siyang Malaysian tea. Parang siyang milk tea. Yun. Yummy. So we have bread. Yan, bread. Tapos madami kaming bote ng Mountain Dew. Tig-isa kami dyan. Kasi yun, wala lang. Tapos meron kami mga fish to fry later on. We have some veggies and may ice kami. We have vegetables, of course. The cake from Percon. Thank you so much. Okay, and then this part we have we brought water kasi walang free water dito. We have microwave. Kompleto ang utensils, kompleto lahat. Yan. Yan. Bongga, di ba? Tapos may rice cooker na, everything is here. For us to use na lang. Uy, may seaweed. Sino nag-iwan nito? May silver swan pa. Naku, sino kaya? True. Okay, sorry. Wala yan. Anyway. And water kettle. I actually brought a rice cooker and water kettle. Pero dapat pala hindi na kasi bongga na pala. We're gonna charge the camera or the battery first. Nagluluto na yung chef namin. Ano po yan, chef?
Sinain.
And for lunch, we're having what? Anong kailan ng lunch?
It's...
Tilapia.
ano ba English ng tilapia?
Hindi ko alam eh. Tilapia. Ha 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 ha. Cooking some lunch pala. So Mark is cooking up some tilapia for lunch. So these are fresh fish from the wet market in India. So super fresh na. Kaya we decided to have it for lunch instead of dinner para super fresh pa. And then I also sliced up some mangoes. Look at that. Nami. So papachill na namin ng konti para later on makakain na. Yan. First 2 tilapia. Done. 4 more before we can eat. Natutuwa ako dito sa mga parang placemat, no? Laki. Ang ganda niya. Tapos may mga matching coasters siya. Nawala na. Ito parang kay Joyce dito. This one, no? Di ba ang cute? Cute lalo. Cutie. Love it. Kanina pa yan sa. Kanina ka pa nagaganyan ah. What are you making, B? Ano yan? B? Ano yan? Sausawan. Patis. Toyo. Tomato and onion. B, saan mo kinuha yan? Eating lunch na sila. Bonggang-bongga. Yummy! Yummy! Kalangin ng Vicks.
Gitna ako umupo.
Ang taas kasi ng stool nila. Lobby. May chair sa lab. Kaso...
Wala na.
Patay.
Napagod ang chef namin. Chef! Yung mga picture.
Uy, mainit dyan.
Ha?
May sarili siya.
Oo, meron. Ay, siya? Yan, magda-dessert na sila. Kami ni Mark kakain na. Yay! Sa akin yung big fish. Joke lang. Kasi isa big, isa small. Nagre-retouch sis. I'm letting her try out the Majolica Brow stuff. It's great for the brows and the lashes, and it's waterproof. Nasa brows ko rin siya. And tinry ni Joyce. Di ba, Joyce? Ready na si Joyce sa beach. Love it. Bongge. We're in our swimwear, and of course, grabe ka naman makaano. And of course, we have to put on sunscreen, and I'm using something new from Nivea. It's a Nivea Sun Protect and Light Feel. I love it actually. Isi-spray ko sa'yo. Pero, sa kamay mo na lang. Dali, kamay. Here.
Anong balbon?
Tignan mo. Tignan nyo, white siya pero mawawala siya bigla. Look. Look at that. Bongga, di ba? Oh. Caught on cam. Bongga. So, something new from Nivea. Check it out. Meron sa mga Watsons and leading department stores. Yun. SPF 50. SPF 50. Bongga. Bagay kay Joyce. Hawak mo, Joyce. Dali. Oh, yes. We're now waiting for the shuttle to go to the beach. Ito na yung shuttle.
For you, oh, in the darkness.
Teka. So, we are finally on our way to the Pico Beach. We got our wristbands after a lot of like transferring from one place to another, and you know, it's raining.
Transformers yun.
Nasayang namin ng ilang hours, tapos ngayon it's raining.
Swimming talaga out of the box.
Nakakaloka. Medyo na-drain na kami kasi kanina pa kami naghihintay. Pero, oh well. Joyce, how are you? Hello. Wala na. Low energy na kami. Wala din. Okay lang yan. Yaman na. Mamaya. Okay, gloomy day na sa beach. Gloomy day. Tapos nauuhaw pa kami.
Kasi dito matanggap.
Hi. Oh, dito matanggap ng cash. So, may jellyfish pa. Wala pang bakante na higaan. Okay, so we ordered fresh buko juice for Mark. Mango shake for me. Calamansi juice for no one kasi mali in-order ko. Sorry. Ayan, tapos hi Joyce. Wala pa yung coffee mo.
Best drink ever.
True Lalu, water.
Order na
Nag-order kami ng... Oo nga, nag-order kami ng pizza. Wala, umuulan pa rin, so...
Bale, it's your birthday.
Well.
Mainit ba?
Hawaiian pizza. Ayan, bongga.
55 years bago doon.
Bawal pala siya.
Swimming time! Guys! Tumigil na yung ulan. So we just finished taking a bunch of photos. Pawis na ako, sobrang ingat kasi. Anyway, sobrang daming good shots of Joyce and my sister and myself. So super happy about that. I just need to take a few product shots before we go swimming again. So, buti umaraw. Thank you Lord, umaraw. Bongga sa. Hello! Okay. Still swimming. Saya-saya ng water. Very salty pero love it. Si Joyce nandun. Ito, si Joyce. Si Isa nandun. Maliliit sila. Buti umaraw. So, that's fun. Love it. We're done swimming. So, the beach closes at 6 p.m. Kaya pinapalis lahat ng tao. No, Joyce, no? Saan tayo pupunta next, Joyce? Beach club na. Kasi sabi ni Joyce, pag kumain daw kami,
Wala na.
tatama rin na. So, tomorrow, we have an early call time. So, maaga kami, we'll catch the sunrise here. Oh, by the way, merong warning na jellyfish. May mga jellyfish kasi dito sa beach area na to. We're skipping the beach club. We're gonna go to the beach club. Hi. Okay, we're here at the country club. Hi, Joyce! Baba muna kayo, picturean ko kayo sa akin. Love it. We're back in the room. Sorry, we're back in the room. Yan, kapagod, no? How do you feel?
I feel very fresh right now.
Kasi nauna si Joyce maligo. Ang radiant mo dito, bongga ka girl. Stay tuned for Joyce's pictures. Bongga.
Guys!
Ayan, nagawa mo? Pinakain mo?
Sasa.
Sasa. Masarap ba yun? Sino to?
Me.
Kala ko si Mark!
Oh!
Kamukha mo! Ayun o! Unang tingin! Oh! Tingin mukha mo, unang tingin. Bongga.
Sino mas pogi?
Magkamukha naman kayo, pareho. Anong kinakain mo? Anong ginagawa mo, B? Look here. Look here.
Day 1.
B.
Yes.
Look
Day 1
here.
Nagkakaroon mo tayo dito.
Gumagawa kami ng tortang talong. This is for
Bakit?
dinner. Why don't you
Bukas
open?
last day. Day 1.
Day 1.
Last day.
Day 1, last day.
Wow.
Done showering. I'm just gonna remove, blurred. I'm gonna remove the rest of my makeup and redo my makeup. Yeah. Si Alice is ang nagluluto ng dinner. Wow. Walang itlog?
Yeah, itlog.
Itlog na. Okay.
Halo siya. Ayun o. Tapos dudurugin to.
Ah.
Lalagay ng egg, tapos dudurugin.
Okay. Naging favorite niya. Sarap kasi ang lambot ng loob.
Sayang wala tayong dalang ano. Bagoong.
Bagay.
Eh, yun talaga ang ano niya.
Hindi ko alam yun talaga. Try ko nga yun. Bongga. Dinner time! Ito yung favorite namin ni Isa na tuna embutido. Canned yan. Tapos may tortang talong. Yumminess. Okay, kaya na tayo.
Kami ni Iza, dito na lang kami sa kwarto.
True Lalu.
Kasi,
Kami try namin yung jelly
Jello
shots.
shots.
Jelly shots ba? Jelly
Jello
shots?
shots.
Jello pala.
maglalasing lang.
Hindi! One lang yun!
Kasi yung dalawa.
Okay?
Ting!
Hi, Ding! Ding! Thank you! Thank you, Joyce! Mga, sila, magkasabot sila. Ang ganda ng cake. Oh my God, Ma.
nag-bake?
Ang cute! Tapos may cupcakes pa.
So, sa sila order.
Mongga, tetay.
layo.
Saan siya?
Ikaw na lang kontakin.
nasub mo pa.
Ayan.
Bongga, thank you so much.
Cute. Cupcake.
I'm going to blow my second cake. Yay!
Happy
For
birthday
to you.
Happy birthday.
Okay na yun.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Thanks. Game na ba? Naku,
Wish,
nag-Chinese
wish,
pa. Okay. 3 wishes, 3 cakes eh. Okay.
Yay!
Take 2. Okay, isa naman. Sige nga, bakit kailangan mag-blow ng candle? Okay.
Yan.
My third cake from Christine, Marian, and Tashara. Tashara, thank you so much. Sobrang cute. Ang ganda ng
Ito ako sa kabila.
Mac.
Kaso
Bongga.
na, na siya.
True, okay lang yan. Kainin natin yan. Bongga.
Happy B-Day.
B-Day. Yay!
Sorry, parang ako.
Fake blow lang. Give na. Fake.
Those shall not use HBD.
Yay!
Okay, so ay natin at kainin natin.
10 utos na
Bongga. I love my cakes. Thank you! Uy, Joyce, ito yung bigay mo, Joyce. I love it.
Picture kayo. Bigay ni Joyce to.
Ito na lang
Yung
kaya.
sabi, those shall not, those shall not,
Bigay ni Joyce.
Yeah.
Cupcakes. Kita niyo ba?
Cupcakes.
Yan. Thank you, Joyce. Picture tayo.
Yeah.
Kita mo ba sa?
Tilt mo. Yeah, smile.
Sorry. Kakat na namin lahat ng cake. So, ito, try namin. Chocolate cake siya from Percom. Thank you, Percom. Okay, cut na natin to. Paano ika-cut? Wala naming makeup sa taas.
Go.
Sige lang, cut na yung makeup brush.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Baka matunaw. Naku, nahulog yung brush. Game.
parang candy yun eh.
Uy, lambot.
Newly baked cake.
Wow. Paano ito? Paano ito?
Is it chocolate?
Ay, laki, sorry. Ang lambot. Parang red velvet ba? Joyce, tingnan mo.
It's chocolate.
Wow! Yay!
Sa Jimmy.
Thank you so much. Tatlong cake. Bongga.
10
Tsaa to, tsaa. Matinding tea.
True!
10 utos na.
Ayan, MAC eyeshadow. Tsaka ano to?
Ano yan? Primer.
Primer. Bye-bye, primer. Lako, lumubog si primer.
Those shall not,
Nakakatuwa. Ang laki. So fun.
baho ata yun.
Ayan, 3.
Okay na yan.
Sige, ito ba? Ito yung bag ni Joyce. Ang dami. Super
Ayun, ano na yan.
cute.
Pwede mo nang kainin.
True. Thank you, Joyce.
Yeah.
Love it. Okay, let's dig in. Oo, Joyce. Sama-sama na lang mga ano. We're gonna go to the Sun Coral Cafe Pool Bar to claim our free Jello shot. Pero, one hour later tayo. So, tingnan natin.
Okay lang, 1 hour.
6 to. 4 kami. So, let's go. are here. We're gonna... Yung card B. Ayan. Na sila Joyce. Antok na sila. Hi, go. That's it for today's vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be up early for the beach. Bye. Bye-bye. Si Joyce sa lang na. Bye. Good night. Good night.
Good night.